Over and over and over in my mind, and I thought, well, maybe you could have kicked the gun out of his hand and then Steve would have only gotten shot once instead of 5 or 6 times. And I just ran. I didn't know what else to do. I really did.
It's that haunting thought that 35-year-old Irene Timon may never shake loose. She was walking alongside Steve Ercolino Friday morning on West 33rd Street when he was murdered mid-sentence as they chatted before work.
And I was like, oh my God, that's Jeff Johnson. And then I was like, he's gonna kill him. He's gonna kill him. I know he's gonna kill him. And then he pulled out a gun and he shot Steve right next to me, right next to me.
This is amateur video of the seconds after Timon fled in fear and Steve Ercolino screamed, hitting the ground.
And I turned around and I saw Steve laying on the ground, but I kept hearing shots. And then all the people started running towards me. And I still heard shots, and I just thought he was going on a shooting spree. And I really thought he was coming back for me.
But those gunshots didn't come from Johnson's weapon. The NYPD released this surveillance video of when 58-year-old Jeffrey Johnson pointed his .45 caliber gun on 2 officers, but didn't get off a shot.
It appears that all 9 of the victims were struck either by fragments or by bullets fired by the police.
At Johnson's apartment Saturday, there was no sign of friends or relatives. Much of his life still a mystery.
He was always by himself. It seems like he was kind of very lonely.
What was it in your gut that made you say instantly, Jeff is going to kill Steve?
I don't know. I mean, I knew that there was, bad blood.
Timon worked at Hazen Imports for 6 years. She says Johnson's animosity towards Jeff was well known.
We didn't really know what or why. We just knew that Jeff did not like Steve.